Technology teaching English as a foreign language. This is presented by Sandra Valentina Gutierrez to Edith Castro. Mobile learning to improve writing in ESL teaching. Teaching languages, especially foreign language, assisted by computers or called computer-assisted language learning. And by mobile device or MOL, mobile-assisted language learning, is an example of how new communication technologies can be used to serve the learning objectives. Within this approach, mobile learning refers to the acquisition of knowledge through mobile devices. This means that the learning takes place anywhere and anytime. Its implementation apparently serves not as a new way to learn languages, but rather as a complement to specific learning activities in the educative context. This was done because not all learning content can be transmitted through mobile technology. Contents used in mobile learning must be short and light so they allow for feedback and periodical revision due to the mobility implied. Exploring classroom microblogs to improve writing of middle school students. As the field of technology continues to grow, students are immersed with technology each day. Thus, digital literacy has become a major component of school curriculums. Through incorporating technology into the classroom, students are not only learning to use these tools correctly, but also are learning to become critical thinkers in analyzing these models of literacy. Many of today's adolescents are constantly engaging with information through texting, watching videos, listening to music, and even writing papers. Learning to properly interact with that information through writing presents a challenge for the students because they are employing all these applications at once and believe that they are multitasking successfully. Improving writing literacies through digital gaming literacies. Facebook gaming in the composition classroom. This evolves as new technologies emerge and newer generations transform digital literacies. Digital literacies involve the public nature of writing, social networking through technological mediums, communicating with others through a social medium, and deciphering multimodes at one time. Ellen Martin defined digital literacies as the awareness, attitude, and ability of the individuals to appropriately use digital tools and facilities to identify, access, manage, integrate, evaluate, analyze, and synthesize digital resources, construct new knowledge, create media expressions, and communicate with others. Through digital literacy, students are networking and learning to match social mediums to the information they generate and audiences they address. These digitally literate people quickly move between various mediums, knowing how to present different information through these mediums to best reach their desired audiences. These skills are multitasking, problem-solving, and communicating with others fostering in the gaming community as well as in the field of composition. In their everyday lives and communities, students construct their own words and through their gaming experiences look at the literacies from a digital standpoint. A mobile-based learning tool to improve writing skills of EFL learners. This is a design of a mobile-based tool to assist the learners of beginning to intermediate levels in improving English writing skills. It provides two types of learning mode. First one, the learner selects grammatical categories for which the tool provides a brief description and exercise questions. The second one, They choose one of the suggested Korean sentences and write a corresponding English sentence to be evaluated and provided with instructional feedback. Wireless communication technology is rapidly growing and has produced advanced computing devices which are still evolving. The devices present high capabilities from which human life greatly benefits. Korea provides an excellent environment for using mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet PSS since a variety of devices is easily accessible. Those handheld devices along with easy and widespread access to wireless networks have changed the future of e-learning. This was for Goodwin Jones, 2011. Mobile-based language learning in particular is recognized as a potentially conventional way as extension to currently existing methods because it is spontaneous and ubiquitous. Since mobile-based language learning also offers an opportunity for learners to practice language on the move, it can be an ideal solution to overcome time and place-related barriers for language learning process. Enthusiasm on learning English in Korea is beyond what is considered necessary throughout the nation. In particular, the students at the grade school and high school burst intense learning process to survive from excessive competition. They are sent to cramming school or taking private tutoring after class. Thank you so much.